Uh, okay. Morning, everyone. Welcome to this session number 472. And in the last experiment, I had said that it will be the last change to try to do this problem, but I think that I am very close. I only need to solve this situation, and I will spend one session more. Yeah, and now I don't remember what is the error. An exception caused by null pointer exception with this and happen here. Okay, what is happening? This case with this. Why? Because the size of the elements is 2. Start with 2. Now result is different than null. Yeah, because it's dummy. Now result is equal a swipe result and k. In this case, result is dummy. Now means that change the 1 by the 2, and now the next is in the 1. I return. I think that here return the 1. Now the next is result different null. What is the result that return this? I think that should be no, should be return 2. This should be 2. Uh-huh. Now, in this case, for example, k equal 2, and I need to move this space in the current linked list. In this case, is 2. Uh, 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 uh. I think that is for this. But well. Now here I am trying to move to a slot. It's only one is here. Uh, uh, only execute one time. Got it. Now I am in the one. It's dummy 1, 2, 3, but updated is dummy 2, 1, 3. Mm, I am taking this. The original is this 1, 2, 3. Now I change to 1, 3. Result is 2, 1, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm here. Sorry, here, and I need to move how many slots? In this case, if k is 2, it's 1 because it's less 1 here until here. Yeah. Now we have okay. Now I am in the 1. This disappear. I am in the 1 that it's correct because it's 1 before the new group. Yeah, this is the new group, the red balls. Yeah. Now Now, what is happening? I am counting. Counter is equal 1 and k is equal to 2 less 1. Is for now if I have the enough elements to do the next operation. It's okay because in this case it's not. Counter is not minor than 1 because it's 1, 2. Now start again. Ah, got it. Now this result should have the 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5 is before the swipe. Now this should be update. Okay, done. Now we have the dummy 1, 2. No, 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 no. 1,001, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, and 5. Now is done. It's okay. Yeah. Now what is happening here? Result it's equal to 4. And I need to move only one time more. Got it. Now I am in this part, one before the next. Oh. Now this is not true. Means that come back here. And now here happen this. I am one, this is the last element. Yeah, this is the current list. This is the last iteration. Yeah, and this is the target node, and this is the node before the target node. Yeah, and in this moment happened deception because I am trying to manipulate the next element. And here is wrong because I only have one. Means that this is not calculate correctly the how many elements. I think that here I should be use result different to null and result.next different to null for know that at least contain one extra element. Yeah. I will execute. I only need to be sure that this works. Okay, this is the first time. Second time. In the last time, in this case, it's 3 and 5. We are similar like this, 3 and 5. Now what is happening? No, in this case, I needed to stop this with the with this. In this moment should be return the counter. What is happening? I am taking the first. I swipe. Swipe. Next, okay, got it. Now we have 1, 3, 4, and 5. 1, result 1, and the 2. And 3, 4, and 5. So what is happening with the 2? Yeah, something is wrong here. Because this code So where I know increase, but it's not true because where I am doing this, calculate correctly. This with this. Now the next step is this with this. Okay. Now is this with this, and in this point is wrong. Because all the time I am one node before the target. For example, here in this point I am counting. For example, I have the next is one. This I think no, but the problem with this, I for example, I am in domain and this is two is one, two. This is wrong. Now, is in this way, and here I need to ask if the current is different to null and the result of next different to null. If this is true, means that I have a one another element from of me, yeah, and I can increase this. First time, it's the first time I swipe. Now is 100, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Is that now here? Counter it's equal 1. And now I am asking if I have the next element. Why I am asking this? Because I need to reach the node that is before the target node or the start of this group. But at the same time, I need to know if I have the enough elements to do it. Yeah, for the reason I am doing this. Now, in this case, I am saying that you have another element. Okay, now I am asking here, counter is 2, it's minor, the 2, no sir, okay, continue, got it. Now I am here, now the result is 1, 3, 4, 5, that is exactly like this, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, why? This 1 is 1 connect with the 3, 4, 5 because I am doing this, yeah. Now swiping, now the final result is until here, 4 and 3, okay? Got it. Now we have 100, 1001, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Okay, we are done. Now I am here, yeah? And in this point, the result is 4 here, yeah? And I need to move how many times? The group, in this case, the group is, I need to reach basically this, yeah, the 3. And for reach the 3 is counter is equal 0, k is equal 2, plus 1 it's equal 1, means that where zero it's minor that one that only happened one time means that I move this to this. Yeah, this is wrong because here I am not do it. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, got it. I am confusing the loops. Uh, this code should determine where no this move until reach the pref target node. It is, for example, the move until reach the node that is previous to the target node. For example, this is the target node, the previous, well, is this. It's only for this, yeah? And I need to move this number of times. But now for the next, it's important that this is only for this, for move. Yeah, for example, this move until the 4. And now I need one extra loop for determine if here have the enough elements to create a new group. Yeah, in here, it is counter plus plus. Yeah, but in this point is node temp equal result. Here is temp different to null. For example, right now I am here. I need to count how many elements I have. I am here and counter is 0. No, it's this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Now, in this moment, if I count resolution, here I need to count. If counter it's minor than k, means that you don't have the enough elements to do the combination. Okay, well, at least I don't have more at the exception. This is done. Now, what is happening with this? I need to result. The first, I am returning true. 1, 3, 4, 5. I think that it may be broken, broken something here. Um, uh, this the first swipe is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is one, no, it's 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now, the result is this. Means that I need to move until this, until 1. I need to move until 1. Uh-oh. Sure, yeah. Yeah, is for this. This I need another. Oops, zero. What is happening with this? I think that the this happened at the final, obviously, but okay. Uh, now it's 1 2 1 4 3 5 2 1 4 3 5. Now okay. Now I am in the four. I am in the four here. I am here, and I need to move to three. Result should have the three as the first number. Result by three. This, and I need to know. I need to count how many nodes I have before this. Should have exactly the two. For example, if I am here, I three and yeah, is the last. Yeah, three and five here. Only one. Uh-huh. M it's equal 5 and count times. Okay. I think that this mhm. Limit x with one is one keep yeah, I think that where is this I need return the same linked list because it's not you don't need to apply any what is the minimum of k? It's one, yeah. One return the same ahead. I need one way to count this without Yeah, because 4 swipe the first with the dash and here. What's happening? And the first swipe 1, 2, 3, 4. Now change by 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 4. Now it's 4, the 3. I am losing one node, and I think that happened. Let me check the test. Odd, even. Odd, 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 even. Change it. Failure to works. Here disappeared the tree and the problem because I reached the final or the null, sorry. Temp is null. I'm sure that is, yeah. Result is null because disappeared the tree, and in this case I am trying to mm, here, for example, do you imagine that is 5, and if disappear this and I move 5 times, is 1, 2, 3, no, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last is a null, but in this case is wrong because the problem is that I am disappearing the a half, or in this case the 3. Now the mystery here is why I am losing the 3, and it's in the first iteration. In the first swipe happened this. I have 1001, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please don't have. Now both have in the same. Now, before means that I need to reach the 1, 2, 4, the 3. Uh-huh. Okay. Now counter equal this. Yeah. Okay, now have the elements here. What is happening? I am in 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, pass is 3 and 4. It's wrong because if I have this and I need to reach a less one element, 1, 3. Ah, now slow.next is 1. 1. Fast.next, this case is fast is 3.next is 4. Um, slow.next next slow is this dot next is a 2. Now is fast dot next is null. It is null. I think that maybe is for the. Okay, I will check the answer because I spent many times here. Yeah. Is a a oh one that's 0. Okay. Next case is certain. This is a function. This counter. Okay. Interesting. Iterative. This is record. Really. Oh well, I think that is more like my solution. No, 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 because well, well, I think that it's a very interesting problem, but definitely to me. But well, thanks for following this transmission. I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.